sumalubong at masimulan natin ang 2025 na sobrang saya at kasama yung mga mahal natin sa buhay.
Yes, we had such a great 2024 and we're so happy to be with you on this journey of ups and downs and busyness and relaxing, and we're happy. We love you all.
We love you! Tumalon kayo ha, para tumangkad kayo.
We're ready for 2025!
Akira.